mess with the strip on top. Pull the filter out. Very carefully take this front paneling off. This is how you take out the knobs. You pull out just like that. And that comes off like that once you got the screws out. And we're going to take this part off. Just start with the top screws. Start these here. They come out like that. And it's better if you have a power drill because there's so many screws. I'm gonna turn it around. Take these screws out here. These two on the bottom hold the coil on, so we ain't gotta worry about these. Turn around, pick up these screws here first. Take these out. And they come out like that. And that just slides off.